Have you ever felt stuck trying to keep your YouTube content fresh and engaging? Don't worry, because today's video is all about the Flicky AI tutorial and creating videos with a talking AI avatar. Stay tuned, because by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to do just that with Flicky AI. Let's dive in. First, you'll need a couple of things. A Flicky AI account, which you can set up for free at freeflicky.com, and a compelling script for your avatar. Wondering how to write one? Let's leverage the genius of ChatGPT to draft a script. For this video, let's create a script about AI innovations that will change the future. Simply input your prompt, and with just one click, your script is ready to go. Copy your generated script, and let's switch back to Flicky. Now that we're switched back to Flicky, click on New File to begin. Here, you'll enter your video's title. Select an aspect ratio that suits your needs, start with an empty file, and hit Submit. Simple as that. Now, paste the script into the box that we generated earlier. It'll just take a few seconds, and as you can see, it automatically suggests footage that's related to each scene. Then choose a voice that resonates with your avatar. You can choose from a variety of voices, whether you need a specific language, dialect, gender, or voice style. So choose one that resonates with your needs. After you've chosen a voiceover, click on Add Layer and select Avatar. As you can see, there's a layer now for the avatar, and in the preview section, a default avatar is also shown. Now let's pick your AI companion by clicking on the picture in the avatar layer. Flicky offers a range of customization options, from pre-designed avatars, uploading your own, or generating your own. Once you've chosen an avatar, customize your avatar's appearance in the video by navigating to the customization panel. Position your avatar the way you like, adjust its size, and you might as well add some animations. Once you're satisfied, hit Generate Avatar Video. In just a few moments, your avatar springs to life, ready to engage your audience. Review your video by utilizing other tools like captions, effects, and transitions. If it captures your vision, export it. Your engaging, talking AI avatar video is now ready to impress. Now that the video is ready, let's see how it turned out.
A futuristic city skyline with sleek, advanced buildings and flying vehicles zooming by. In a world where technology evolves at an exponential rate, the possibilities seem limitless. Among the most groundbreaking advancements are those.
Enhancing your talking AI avatar doesn't stop with just creation. Here are some pro tips to make your avatar truly stand out. Tip number 1. Speak naturally. Use scripts that sound conversational. People connect more with content that feels personal and relatable. Tip number 2. Tone matters. Adjust the avatar's tone to match the content's mood. A lively tone suits educational content, while a calm tone works well for serious topics. Tip number 3. Add gestures. Flicky AI allows you to add gestures to your avatar. This small detail can significantly increase the natural feel of your avatar, making it more engaging. By following these tips, your talking AI avatar will not only capture, but also hold your audience's attention, making your content unforgettable. Encountered a snag while creating your talking AI avatar? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Here are solutions to common issues. If your avatar's voice isn't perfectly syncing with the animation, re-upload the script and adjust the timing settings in Flicky AI. Small tweaks can make a big difference. Ensure your script is clean and clear of any formatting before uploading. Flicky prefers plain text to understand and process your content accurately. With these fixes, you'll smooth out any bumps in the road to creating engaging AI avatar videos. We've explored how Flicky AI can transform your YouTube content by creating a talking AI avatar. From signing up for a free account to exporting your final video, we've covered everything you need to get started. Remember, creativity is your limit, and with Flicky AI, there's no end to the innovative content you can produce. Ready to bring your own talking AI avatar to life? Dive into Flicky AI today and make sure to watch the next suggested video for more Flicky AI tutorials.